Okay, so the MacGyver project of the night involved the soldering iron, the solder, some wine, of course. Look at my table. It's all my test equipment, electronic shit. Stepping motor that was harvested from an old Lexmark printer. I actually want to get a better one. This was just a test project. Zoe, of course. There's Zoe. Stepping motor that I took out of a Lexmark printer that I disassembled. And actually, you know, Radio Shack's closing, but I actually found some parts there that I needed. I have 2 bridge rectifiers. That's the little black things are here. And there's 2 AC inputs on the bridge rectifier connected to the 2 AC pairs. What happens when you spin a stepping motor, you get AC current out. And I want to run DC stuff, so the bridge rectifiers rectify the AC current into DC. You have 2 AC outs there, which gives you a positive and negative out up on top here for DC. I've connected it to the other bridge rectifier, so we're doubling the voltage, and this is connected to the other 2 poles of the AC out. So now we have a plus and a minus side for DC, which I have soldered to that a little green light bulb. Also from Radio Shack. It was like 80% off for the electronic shit at Radio Shack. So let's see if we can get this in the camera angle here. I don't know if I'm going to get the angle right. Okay, I can see the light bulb. Now as I spin the motor with my hand, wow, look at that. We have power. That's a 12 volt green light. All I'm doing is spinning this motor with my hand, and it's causing the light to light. Now, next objective will be to connect it to the windmill outside somehow, via belt drive or something, and get it to light this LED. It really doesn't matter which way I go. I can rock this switch back, rock the wheel back and forth on this stepping motor and get the light to blink. Because it's generating AC current, it doesn't matter which way I go. Every time it passes through a coil, it's generating the AC current, and then the rectifiers are rectifying it to DC current. So I can sit here and wiggle this back and forth and make that green light blink. And I'm barely turning that. So now if I get it hooked to the windmill out there, get it power geared, obviously the faster you turn, I get a good torque on it, get a good bright flash. Oops, I knocked the soldering iron over. Anyway, okay, yeah, that didn't take me long to wire as I thought. I actually want to go to the China site and get a better stepper motor. This motor, you probably can't read that. 7.5 degree step angle. What that means is for every 1 rotation, which is 360 degrees, you take 360 divided by 7.5, you get 48 steps per rotation. The more steps per rotation, the more power you get out. I can get one from the China site for like $12.99. That's got a 1.8 degree stepping angle, which would give me 200 steps per rotation, which would probably give me a decent AC power out and then rectify it down to DC. Yeah, it'd be enough to maybe run a couple 12 volt devices. What I'd like to hook up, where is it? I think it'd be kind of neat. Hold on. To be able to hook up, in addition to the green LED or a blue LED or something, I have this little cigarette lighter FM transmitter MP3 player you can plug a flash drive into. I'd like to plug a flash drive in there with an MP3 of a pre-recorded message. Just, you know, something corny saying this is a broadcast coming from my windmill, and have it transmit to 88.5 or somewhere. You can set whatever channel you want. But I think it'd be cool as hell just to have, when the wind blows and the windmill starts turning, to have the light come on and have a little pre-recorded message transmit over the FM radio. So it wouldn't go very far. Obviously there's not a very big antenna in this thing, but yeah, some cool project ideas. Just something to dink around with. Alright, I'm going to cut the video and, yeah, drink some more wine. Have a good night.